Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to ZZZ TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks, breaking news, events, and events updates to so, to do this, just press subscribe to get notification each time I post this update. Okay? Stay tuned.
Number one.